Actually, I'm gonna do this one.
I ordered a couple things off Etsy. I figured I would film myself opening it. I got 2 hairpins from Cameo Jewelry Supply. Now, I think these are actually supposed to be for people who make hair accessories. Like, they got these flat parts that you can glue beads on, maybe? Or whatever you feel like. But I thought it would be fun to maybe see if I can like use them to pin up my hair. So, let me try something. Okay. Okay, maybe not. Let's try one more thing. I mean, that kind of works. Actually, yeah. What do you think? Totes adorbs. Do you hate me for saying that now? I like it. Okay. Yeah, I like this. My official review of these pins for dreads. I really like how simple they are. I like the brushed gold. And I really like how big this is because I can actually fit my dreads through them. And they have like tiny balls at the tip. And that's nice because the metal's not snagging or anything. So once I figure out how in the world I want to wear these on my dreads, I feel like these are fun. In conclusion, these are fun. Okay, next up, I have a package from Russia. I could open this with scissors, but where is the challenge in that? I ordered these beads off of Fan Mouse Beads. That may be incorrect, but I will put a link down below to both of these shops if you're interested in the beads or the hairpins. Both of them are in here. I'm really excited about this. She gave me an extra one. Oh man, okay. I ordered like a honeycomb bead. I ordered a snake bead. I was afraid I broke it. They go in my dread box. Isn't that cool? It's like honey dripping down. Here's one with flowers.
Okay.
Can you show me your Lego thing?
Airplane.
Did you make this? You can come sit next to me on this side. Okay?
Yay, because I want to be in the video.
A honeycomb bead. A snake bead. And she threw in this extra one, like a little stone looking bead with a flower on it. I'm gonna try to put him on a dreadlock. What should I do, Lee?
This one.
This one? This one's pretty fat.
Maybe it will not.
Maybe it will. Actually, I don't even know how to put beads on, Lee. Did you know this?
Then I will for you.
You will?
For you.
Neat.
Actually, I'm gonna do this one.
Let's do this. I'm gonna swirl it on.
a snake.
Is that cute?
It's a tiny snake.
Is that cool? Am I cool now?
Pretty.
In conclusion, pretty, not cool. Right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
pretty.
pretty. Thank you.
Actually, I can't do it. I'll do this.
Here, why not? Oof, this is gonna be weird. My phone stopped recording right in the middle. But I got this one on, and it looks awesome. What do you think? Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh. He thinks it's cool.
You look pretty.
No.
You look funny.
Awesome.
What day is it on the calendar?
Tuesday.
On which number? The 10?
I think it's the 13th. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day.
On the 14th is it Valentine's Day?
Okay. That's cute. I like it.
What's cute?
This, look at this. The little flowers. You like them? Here's this one. Here's this one. And here's this one. All right. Well,
Goodbye.
I like my beads. I like my pins.
Well, goodbye.
Well, goodbye. Thanks for doing my video with me.